Hi folks, Luca at SharperTrades. The S&P 500 moves sideways, steady above the breakout point today, a little bit bearish, closing in the red, but it's holding the support, market is waiting for the Fed's announcement, whether or not they change the rates. I think they will, but we'll see when the announcement comes out. There is expectation that they will. That's what the market is pricing in. 664 and 671 next resistance, 80 MA, and then below that 646 and the 50 SMA. Tesla is strong with the support 409 and yesterday low 402. And if it breaks below yesterday low, do expect a retest 389 and the 80 MA. Resistance targets for us are 430, 452. And 479. The all-time high on Tesla, this one right here, post-election, December 31st, 488.54. There you go. That's the all-time high, which we'll pay attention moving forward. We're approaching today. You went to 425.70. That's the high. So intriguing, strong technicals. Expect an extension after the consolidation could last a few days or longer. I'm guessing a few days, because with Elon Musk disclosing $1 billion worth of shares, 1 billion, folks. I mean, this guy is peanuts. Nevertheless, it's still a lot of money and a lot of confidence behind it. So I'm expecting this to go higher.
So how do we turn knowledge into actual income with minimal risk? It's simple. I offer the Basic Plus Swing Alert for just $1 for the first month. The Basic Plus Swing Alert sends real-time trades 2-3 times a week via text or email. I send you updates as price reaches targets and we raise protective stop levels, all in real time. If you're looking for an even better opportunity, check out the Pro package. It includes over 15 technical courses and access to all my trading services, a package worth almost $3,000, available for just $19 for the first month. Signing up is easy. Visit SharperTrades.com, go to the product section, and choose the package that suits you. Then use the provided coupon code to unlock the Basic Plus Swing Alert for only $1, or the incredible Pro package for just $19 for the first month. I can't wait to welcome you to the community. Take the first step toward financial success. See you over at SharperTrades.com. Sharper Trades, where knowledge becomes income. Don't miss out. Join us today.